Hey all, Mr. Harris here. Today we're going to look at how to make any image into a cartoon in Photoshop. So let's get into it. Copy and paste an image that you'd like, and we're going to use the quick selection tool just to remove a background. The shortcut is Y, and you can erase anything it doesn't quite pick up there. Once you've removed the background, duplicate the image and set your color to black. But as this is quite a dark image, I'm just going to increase the brightness and just merge those layers together. Once you've done this, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into the filter gallery, and on the filter gallery go into sketch and then select torn edges. You can edit this accordingly, hide that layer, go back to the original, go into your filter gallery once again, and you're going to select cutout under artistic, and you can adjust this again until you're happy with the colors. Then you're going to show the top layer and change its blending to darken, and then you can see the image there applied. And I want to show you that this can be done with any image really. Here's an image of a plant. Perhaps you're looking at I don't know, botanical imagery in your coursework. If you just remove the background again using magic wand or quick selection, you will need to have two layers, the one on torn edges and the other on cutout. Once you've got your top layer in cutout, you'll then need to select darken to make sure that you can see the image below. All the best with it. Let me know if you need any help, and I look forward to seeing what you produce.